The character who contrasts with another character is it A, villain, B, foil, C, antagonist, or D, confidant? Letter B, foil. Okay? Ang tinatanong naman po natin ay a character who contrasts. Pag sinabi natin contrast, iba siya sa ibang character. Hindi naman natin sinabi na negative agad yung characteristics niya. Okay? Nasusundan po, teachers? Hindi po, look at the question. Intindihin siya maigi. The character who contrasts with another character. Hindi natin sinabi na yung character na yun ay meron siyang opposing na attitude, okay? But in contrast, magkaiba lang sila ng character, ng attributes. This is letter B, foil. Okay, pag sinabi nating foil, ito po yung mga characters na ginawa ng author or ng isang writer para ipakita sa atin or i-elevate yung isang characteristic ng isang character pa. Okay, it was a characteristic that's supposed to show to us the elevated characteristic of another character. That is foil. Okay, pag sinabi naman po nating villain, the stereotypical evil characters. No, antagonist naman po, pag sinabi nating antagonist, that's the opposite of protagonist. Pag sinabi nating confidant, yung mga minor characters natin, the dearest of friends ng ating mga main character.